Hello students, in this video I will show you how to lock or hide file or folder. First I will show you how to hide. We will select a file or folder or both of them and go to properties and click on hidden, and now we'll click on apply, OK, and once again OK. You see that the now we'll go to view tab, click on uncheck the hidden item. You see that both file and folder are disappeared. Now we once again click on hidden item. You say that both appeared. uh, Now we can bring to normal condition and make them visible. We both select them or select one by one, go to properties and then uncheck the hidden, apply, and OK. You see that it is visible. Now we click on we go to new folders properties and uncheck the hidden, apply, and OK, and once again OK. You see that these both are visible. Now you can easily uh, make file or folder hidden. Now I will tell you uh, if we can make a file password protected. This is the word file. Go to files, in permissions click on protect document, click on encrypt with password. Now type password. I say 123. I will click on OK. Re-enter the password 123. Click on OK. You see that password is required to open this one. This is file become password protected. I will close this file, save. Now I open it. You say that it is asking for a password. I will type the password 123, click on OK, and file is open. Now we want to uh, remove the password. We will go to password protection, encrypt with password. We will remove password from here, click on OK, and you see that anyone can open, copy and change. Now password is gone. Now it is not password protected. We save this file and close it. Now I will show you how to lock a folder. Click on file folder, go to its properties, go to security, go to administrator, edit. Now once again administrator, you will click on check the deny. All all boxes will be checked. Apply, yes, OK, and once again OK. Now you see that we will open this folder, double click on it. You see that you don't currently have permission to access this folder. Continue. If we continue, it will the error message will be shown, you have been denied permission to access this folder. Now now this folder is locked. Now how we unlock it? Go to uh, properties, security, once again administrator, edit, again as administrator, and uncheck all deny boxes. Apply, OK, OK. You see that now we'll try to open it. Folder is open. We go back. You see that how to lock a folder and how to lock a file. and also I show you how to hide file or folder. I think this will be very helpful for you in your whole life. Thanks for watching and subscribe the channel.